Greetings to everyone. Today, we the students of Wilford Public School are here presenting our business model on Nettle Green Tea. Now, I would like to introduce our business plan to you all. TNET is a retail business that offers consumers the opportunity to buy Nettle Green Tea produced in our rich cultural heritage, Devbhoomi, Uttarakhand. The company allows customers to buy our product by both modes, online and offline. Now, I would like to call my partner to give you all the further details.
The TNET unit will be located in a permanent building under lease located on the main thoroughfare passing through the rural area of Tirry Gadwal. This location will provide accessibility, convenience for the resident in the community and surrounding areas. The unit operating hours will be Monday through Friday 8 am to 5 pm. The unit will employ natives and deploy them to dry the leaves using solar energy. TNET is a green tea enterprise that will be established as a part of tea industry. TNET will rely on knowledge, skills and experience of local rural community, including women workers who brings experience in the field can meet the high quality standard that our enterprise has set for its tea leaves. The medicinal values of net tea is nettle is rich in calcium, potassium, magnesium, vitamin C, vitamin B complex, vitamin E, amino acids and beta carotene to name only a few. It is alkalizing while support the immune system, the nervous system, bone stability, the metabolism and skin health. The production and platform. The cost of production will only be of drying leaves and packaging. The platform would be online and offline mode. The other uses of nettle is the remains of the plant can also be used for various other purposes. Nettle fabric is an unusual textile which is strong, lustrous fabric derived from the nettle plant. The fabric is made from the fibers within the stalks of the plant, not the silky barbs on the outer surface. Other than for extracting fibers and making tea nettle, plants can be used, make benefits to make cheese and has fodder for livestock. The finance. The TNET unit has a positive finance projection analysis. Exercises performed as part of this plan. The startup costs of the clinic are relatively less expensive due to the low cost of the facility as well as the reasonable salary. The market opportunity. Nettle tea is at high demand in Indian market as well as international market. Its market price is around 900 rupees per kg. Nettle is found in Himalayas from Pakistan to southwest China at altitudes of 1000 to 2500 meters. So there is a big market opportunity for us. Since nettle is found almost everywhere in Uttarakhand and most of it is unutilized. Our objective is to create an employment and development that will meet needs of the local community for basic needs, to provide high quality nettle leaves, to improve health outcome of customer we serve, to achieve and exceed quality measures as prescribed. Our motive. Our business model primarily focuses on the need to establish a nettle tea business in small rural community and provide a strategic solution to needs of rural areas where casual workers struggle for daily wage. This becomes more relevant in this COVID-19 pandemic situation where people are losing jobs day by day. Our future prospect will be the business will be flourishing as it is health related. It also helps in increasing immunity rate. Nowadays, people are concerned about their health, so they will be more concerned about the product they choose, as there are less states having nettle leaves as its fauna. But in Uttarakhand, it can be found in many places in abundant amount. It will generate more income and its market value is also good. Our other prospects is different companies will be interested in investing in our product as it has a low production cost and high profit. As people will have more income, the rural areas will gradually develop and which will also bring many chances in the society. TNET will endeavor to attain leadership in the green tea production, distribution services The pursuit of high quality will be driving force in the business. To achieve this, the healthcare will use the dedication, experience and skill of its member in key technical and management positions. TNET's activities will help to ensure that its customer perceive that they are receiving the best quality services on time and at reasonable price. The future of our business looks bright and we are positioned to take advantage of this commercial opportunity. What makes it different is people would get employment, the living standard will also increase and there would be decrease in poverty. If people are employed and they have enough money, so eventually people will start educating their children and there will also be an increase in literacy rate. This action is not harmful for the environment as a raw material and final product is natural. Particularly giving employment to women, 10% of profit on rural development program. You can also find us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and YouTube. Thank you very much.